Hello, everyone. I'm we're a team from Alex working on a project titled Wikipedia. And the team comprises of myself, Samson Seka Udeme, the back-end developer, and Jude Friday Ekanem, the front-end developer. We are working on this blog app in order for us to design it to provide users with a platform to create, publish, and manage blog content. The target is for ourselves as individuals, any content creator that venture to come use our app, and also businesses or business operators for them to secure a friendly user platform and a secured one at that for one to upload, make some blog posts anywhere, anytime. That's the essence of the blog, and that's the essence of the app. The app have some hierarchy, or we call it strategies that we use in working on it. We have the front end, the back end, and the database. Those are the three parts we are working on. The front end, we use the HTML, the JavaScript, CSS, while back end uses Flask, which is also, we can say, is Python. Those are what we use. Then the database uses MySQL and the SQL schema. So we are working solely in order for us to achieve most of these. And like I said, the part of the work is what we worked on. I will show you a demo of the work and how it works. Okay, I'm trying to get to the demo. So just give me a few minutes of the time. Few minutes of the time, and we are going over there. Okay, the demo app that has been created, that's where we are heading to now. The app here is the demo that have a sign-in where we input our email, a kind of a demo email that is being we call it Wikipedia admin.com. Then from there, it will take us to where we have our blocks that we have been able to create through the app. The app will be able to host it for anybody that uses it. Okay. That's the app itself. Then you enter your title, enter the title. Let's assume I'm using something like it's time to make it. Then you create the post. Let me stop there, then I submit it. See, it has been able to post the blog. So that is the demo. I have to go back to some of the, let me go back and show how the code is. This is the code that I'm sharing presently. So this is how it has worked, and we have created our local server. I'll hand over to my colleague and partner for him to do some part of it. Thank you. Mr. Jude, you're welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I'll be taking from the challenges that we faced in when building the application. We faced a lot of challenges and challenges like integrating third-party services um, gave us a bit of trouble, but we scaled through it and debugging and addressing some compatibility issues based on the devices used, the mobile device, that's the Android and the iOS, and we also faced another challenge, the server load issue during peak usage time, because the more the server hits up, we face lot of other challenges, and we start to see what are the areas that we should improve, and we saw that collaboration features for multi-author blog posts, that many other people collaborating to make a blog post, and we need to enhance the features for many people to collaborate on one blog post. And secondly, improving offline functionality for users with limited connectivity. Like, many people would wish to run the blog offline, like make a post offline, because sometimes the server issues, the, the network connectivity, and we try to see that we make the application work offline, so that once anyone comes on, once you come online, you can see the code, you can see the blog that you created. Then implementing advanced analytics for better content and insight. We created many advanced laydowns and backgrounds, so that once you come in, at least you see that the page, the blog is well structured. Then we had much lessons to learn. We had the first lesson that the importance of thorough testing across different devices and platforms. You know, some developers nowadays would just when they are creating a particular website or blog, for instance, they just run a bit testing. But in our own blog, we run thorough testing on different devices, like the Android and the iOS devices. Then the second one is the significance of continuous monitoring and optimizing for server performance. This just goes into the upgrade of the application. You know, when the applications, it's just like the server. Once the server is not updated, you find the traffic so hard and cumbersome for people will not be able to have a free flow of logging in and creating posts of their kind. And the third one is the user feedback, which is invaluable for prioritizing future feature development. No, user feedback is just the same as user rating. The user that is the person using the block would wish to say, oh, I have a like for this and rating the block. Then the next step is conducting a user feedback. As I said, the rating, and for the app, so that we know the challenges the user is facing. How do we help the user? Then exploring other additional integrations such as social media sharing. You know, some blogs would have this insight of sharing to other media platforms. Like from here, you can share to your WhatsApp, you share to your Instagram accounts, and you share to your different is it Twitter or any other social media blog. Then in conclusion, we have that the blog app prioritizes security to ensure a safe and trustworthy environment for users. We can see in our modern day applications that we have authentication systems. Some systems uses Firebase authentications, which allows the user to have a trustworthy environment for his or herself against the malwares and hackers and other people trying to steal into his blog post. And ongoing efforts are also made to adapt to emerging security threats and maintenance of the highest standards of authentication security. Like as I said in the first, that the block app prioritizes security, I am trying to say in the second that we are making it possible so that the block itself, the user have confidence in the app, so that the app itself is secure from threats like people coming in to steal people's documents and authentication servers. Thank you. That will be the end of the slide presentations. I hand over to.
Thank you everyone for having our time to listen. I pray that you make use of this available task, and God be with you.